It's very ornate. You up?
Zola.
Where'd you get that?
Online.
Oh, you got it online, so you chose to have the number. Like an Italian charity shop. But you chose to have that on there.
It is Zola, to be fair. Gianfranco Zola.
Yeah.
Bad one.
Yeah, but how old are you?
Oh, probably.
How old are you, Tim? For the camera.
I like your moustache. Have you shaved everything but your tash? Yeah,
You know what he
go
did?
on, son.
He just started shaving it over at bedside table. He's electric fucking shave. What are you doing, man? All my stuff's on there.
Aww.
I'd send him to the bathroom.
Only bog roll.
With a slap bottom on it.
It's nice, it's good. But yeah, we're all tired and poor. How poor are you?
I'm poor.
I'm very poor.
We're all poor.
We're all really poor now.
But holiday poor's different to home poor.
I can't believe I haven't brought a rucksack to put the shopping in. So.
Straight up bonds. No. Sorry about that, Dal.
I'm gonna try to get a coffee and head back, because yeah, I'm just damp, you know, just that fine rain that soaks you through. Fuck with that. Fucking hell. And oh my fucking god, it's like hail now. Whipping off my nose and hurting. I mean, it just sort of is what it is at this point. You know, don't get me wrong, that were really fun, but I am wet. I am very wet. Oh well. Hey boys.
We're just talking about you. I was just texting saying how you didn't look. Good man, just survived it. Red man.
Look at him. He's all wet and shit.
Is it warm in there?
No, it's warmer than out there.
Yeah.
Newcomers in there.
Oh, I don't want to put it on without the housing on. In case there's something wrong.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and make him harder now. Is that limoncello? It looks like fucking avocado.
Yeah, it's cream, isn't it?
Creamicello. Oh.
Licor de crema.
Ah, it's creamicello. Anyway, Jim, come on.
Right, this one's going to be a piece of piss. But you could one of these if you do a PhD.
Doctor.
I'm waiting.
You didn't allow me to do my pomp and ceremony, Jim, and I'm really excited.
sorry.
Put it back.
I'll just
Thank you. Just bless this little area.
Back in tavern times, they'd use this instead of glass.
Tankard.
No,
Computer,
Metal,
No.
tin,
no,
jar.
no,
Mug.
no,
and it's not a tank.
Horn.
no. Think Skyrim as well. Of some description.
I'm at a disadvantage here.
Chalice. No.
Goblet.
Yes.
That's wild.
Well, they wouldn't really use goblets because they're peasants.
No. Again, I did a Harry Potter one.
Yeah, on fire.
will
So
check it out.
I'm not allowed to say that word, but there's a rover on it, and it's extraterrestrial.
Mars.
Dom's doing really well, so he's not playing.
Yeah. Cool. Got me.
Yes.
Nice one.
Chin chin.
Yamas.
Yamas.
Whatever they just said.
Right, yeah.
Long the fold.
You're not happy?
That's fucking
Yeah.
good.
Whose goes it now?
Tom, but I don't think he's ours, so I'll take it. Tom can
Yeah,
take
go
it.
on then.
Oh, Tom, you can take it.
Can we get a bit of less hazards around the playing cards, please?
It's alright.
Yeah, we just for the ceremony. It's going full pagan.
Ceremoniously.
When do we sacrifice a cat?
Absolutely never touch that cat and I'll fall out here.
That's your word.
Difficult.
No.
Easier.
No. Time consuming.
Tricky.
Just the word.
Playing.
Hard.
Standard.
Fun. Rounded pimple.
Simple.
Oh, tiebreaker, you got to do.
Yeah,
No, that would dull that, to be fair.
I'm sure.
Alright, go on, tiebreaker.
A great artist. Picasso. Hurts.
A great artist, what?
Does what?
Create.
Yeah.
Create.
You're not part of the tiebreaker.
Nah, he is giving.
You've got to pay attention in this game, Alice. That's the first rule of this game.
If we go into a tiebreaker with Scout on the side, then it moves on to the next one, and then you can steal it. You can snipe it.
Oh, nice. I like that.
Gives everybody else a chance to get back in the goddamn game, boys.
Yeah. See you later. Bloody hell, man. Shit. Trust me, I'll feed you, I promise. In fact, let's just feed you. We all good?
Even got a bag on.
We all good? Oh.
I thought it might be alright, but I don't know.
Right.
There's something else happening right now. Some fat rendering and cracking.
I've had one, new one. They're alright.
Ding 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 ding. No.
I don't know, sorry, my cranky. It's like the fucking brutal heavy metal with this.
Salut!
Salut.
Salut.
Hey darlings! What are you saying?
Glad these clouds come over. Shoulders are fucking...
Yeah,
Shoulders feel good right now.
I'll have to boost the red and the contrast, but I think it's there.
If you can see, there's like scaly bits where it's all blistered from my bag straps. It's real fun. Real fun.
Oh, bro, there's little pedals with slides on that.
Is this what it looks like? This is where they moved the town after pirates raided Alcudia in the 1200s. It took them hundreds of years to build the wall in Alcudia.
Yeah,
so
let's stop that. That's boring as fucking.
What he said.
I tried.
That's nice.
Well, both of these are sort of the same thing, aren't they? Really?
I like that one further down.
I feel like we're just getting like nicer.
Yep.
Hello. Even more so than you already are. I'm not putting any free feet content on the internet though. Got to pay to get these dogs.
Can't tell if I'm burning or not.
Um,
Bitten. Or just bitten. Because I thought my back
you don't
would
look too
burn,
bad
but
to
my
be fair.
back's
Yeah, you don't look too bad. I'm sure tonight when you get a shower, you'll look at yourself and go, whoa.
Oh, look, there's a watermelon slice out to water.
What? Oh yeah.
Actually, whoa.
What?
Reverse.
You can't see them right now, but they're all over there somewhere. Oh, man.
Well, we're in front of tobacco to start with, so
Yeah.
probably that one.
If
Probably
you
there.
could zoom in, Ellis, keynote this bit.
Yeah.
Zoom and enhance.
We're getting destination vibes.
I'm curious. Oh look. Is that what they called?
A heron.
Oh, that's not a heron, bro.
A Quasimodo.
It's crack-a-lacking, son.
We're just scouting spots.
Bad dude.
You having a good time?
No.
I saw some woods and I was like, I bet if I walk through there I see a lizard. Like, you know when you think you're gonna manifest something, and then like there was literally just nothing in there. It's just some little man-made woods. I'm sort of on a path, but I'm not sure where the way out is. Is that the way out?
Just POV. I can see how red my forehead is. My frosted tips.
Well, make sure you got to get your hair. Yeah, good colour. Oh, come on, Tim, show the way. Oh, pudding.
Any relation to Philomena and Wonka?
What a bloody pud. Hey up. Oh, made you nervous then.
I feel like I'm sat watching Pixar end credits. It says.
It is really
You know
good.
what I mean?
I've got a ducker in my mouth. Just had a really nice kebab. English.
Socks are way too high.
Going to the water park.
Yeah, we're going to water park.
I'm just going to be very smooth and aerodynamic.
Yeah, Dal's feeding himself as well fast.
You know what you won't see? Any friction, mate. I'm a frictionless individual. I'll move at fucking speeds you've never seen before. Anyway, guys, so we've been to the water park today. We paid €33.30 to get in. We obviously went on sides around 10 times each, so obviously it's only cost $3.30 to go. But if you divide that then by the 6 people that are here, it comes down to about €2 a go, and we're all good. We made it worth it. I've had 6 beers. We're gonna go drink more beers.
I have also had 6 beers.
And sham bam bam wooey.
So that is, we've been to the water park. I have no footage. I'm not filming around children. In pal. But we've done it, so we're out of here, so that's today's content for you.
A bloody wonderful time.
It's done. Oh, fuck. What did you eat, so?
Oh shit. I'm gonna get me all out.
We've just been to possibly the worst looking bar on the island. Took one look and said fuck that and moved on. British.
What, this place?
It's all town.
Yeah, it's shit, man, it's full of Brits.
Oh yeah. You dislike it?
No, I like it. I wouldn't be here if I didn't like it.
I don't like it when people are honest with me, and I think that were a right crock of shit that you just said to me.
I think Tim's not enjoying the food.
Oh yeah, he's...
Put the food in.
No,
I've not been blown away at all.
There's not much good food available.
no.
The food that we've had. The stuff from that cafe is good.
The cafe's ace, because locals go there. Everything else is for tourists.
Yeah, that's basically it.
That's
And
it, it's
there's
for
not a single
tourists.
restaurant that's
There's...
like...
Salud.
It's quite a few drinks later and we're going to a club and I just don't know how I feel about that. Tim, share your opinion.
Happy.
Cool, cool. There we go.
Come round, yeah, my love. Come round, yeah. Terrible, really.
Terrible idea.
Great club, excellent club. You happy, yeah?
No,
You're not? No. No one here, is there?
not yet.
Yep. It's now 3 AM, yeah? It's actually been a much better night than we all expected.
Yeah, it's been real good, bitches! I'm gonna give her titties out, bitch.
Hey, up, lad.
I'm here too.
Right, it's 4:32 AM. We're just leaving.
tomorrow,
I would love to have a piss.
You'd love to have a piss?
Yeah, man.
Brother, it's 4:32. Just go piss on. Brother, down there.
Yeah.
Go.
Have you had a Russell's burger?
Jesus wept.
Quiero uno tequila naranja, por favor. Are you Spanish? You had 2 drinks tonight. You had 2 drinks
I had, once we got to the club, I had my free drink and then I ordered 2 drinks.
Me and Dallas had 6 pints by the time we got there.
Well, yeah, I'd had. No, you had
Well,
six.
actually, before we got
We
there.
had 6 pints before we came home.
You had 6 pints at the water park.
Yeah, we had 6 pints at the water park. Then it was.
That was before 3 PM.
Then it was 3 pints at the Irish pub.
Yeah.
Then it was whatever we had in the.
Well, what did you have in the club?
Whatchamacallit?
I don't know, because
I just had tequila at the club.
that woman Lucy and her fella.
Will
Is that,
was a bitch.
was that Brock?
Will was a dickhead.
The golf
I
man?
did this,
iPhone guy.
and you did it back,
Smack
and
down.
he said, "What the fuck was that?" I said, "What do you mean?"
No.
And he said, "Why are you doing that for?"
You do.
I don't want
I did drink in hours. I got such bad dry now.
Chin.
I'm so ready for this.
it. It's gonna make me feel ill.
That is.
It
That is
tastes like pink whiff.
Fucking
like Crusher.
delightful.
Oh,
Good
mate.
luck.
And he said, "That was fucking stupid."
Oh, you've added something to this? No, I don't.
No, he didn't say that.
Yeah, I didn't think you did.
Doing him in at the water park.
If I'd have raised with it,
Shiggy drowning in the wave pool was probably the most fun part of my day. Every time he opened his mouth, it was just. How about maybe if like
you think you just drank a
I
load?
dread to think what Dal's going to be like tomorrow.
I'm gonna go cuddle the toilet.
Yeah,
love you, mate.
Me too. Bye-bye.
Yeah, night, bro.
Some bitch stole my glow in the dark fucking whatever it is. That.
Was that Spanish word?
What's Spanish for bitch stole my shit?